Oh man, you ever make something like, oh yeah, Nick, you the shit. You ever do something and you like crown yourself king a little too fast? Pat yourself on the back just a little too fast. That's what I did. I pat myself on the back way too fast. I made this and I was like, man, you the man. And my tangs are like, I could care less. I could care less. What's wrong with y'all? It got garlic in it. Perfect. Just chilling in my house, watching Cletus for America. Fish tanks on. Everybody live. I think. Where you at, other damsel? I got a yellowtail damsel here and there somewhere. But you know, everything going good. I got a new camera. It's much clearer. You can see the dirt on my glass. Now when I say my glass is dirty, it's clear enough for you to tell. Orange fin too many. That's what they said. I don't know. I like it though. It's a pretty fish. I know it's a tang, but I'm not sure if that's really what it is. But you know, just another day in the neighborhood. Y'all eat that algae? Yeah, you ate it. So they finally figured out the algae. Not algae, excuse me, seaweed. I'm sure somebody's gonna be a snob on their keyboard. Back away from your keyboard. I'm gonna mispronounce a lot of things. I'm country. All right. As you can see from the difference in the coloration, grain, and texture of the other videos. The first video was this camera, 720, and then the second video of my coral feeder was done with my camera, the cell phone, what I normally use. And then the video of my filter / wide angle lens, that was done with an app on my phone. Those two video clips are back to back. So you can see how much clearer a video is when you can control the focus and the white balance and all those other parameters on your phone. So with that said, I went and got a camera and caught hell trying to format it. Oh, it was so difficult to try to get it formatted. I had to get an app and all the apps didn't work. So getting it formatted was not easy. But I finally figured out how to do that, and now I'm shooting this video. And this video should be even clearer than the first video. Even though they're shot with the same camera, the first video was uploaded in 720 and it shoots in 720. This is going to be uploaded in 1080, even though it was shot. So there's like a uploading. I can't remember the technical term for it. But you know, another beautiful day in the neighborhood. I moved this GSP a little further to the corner. The damsel likes to hide in that shell in the back, so I moved it to the back. My money caps doing good. The chalices are too. They scared of the camera. The zoanthins, I'm gonna get my zoanthin game up. Y'all just hold out with me for a little bit. And this encrusted money pour. Anyway. That's the only one that doesn't look like it's doing its good. If it's growing so slow. And my buddy right here, Mr. Puff Eye. Still puffy, but it went way down. It was so much more. So much more. Matter of fact, hold on a second. Take you in here to this dark room. Bam. That's right. That's right. That ugly mess right there is gonna be an expansion slash frag tank. It is a 40 gallon or 45, something like that. I think it's 45 gallon boat front. I've had it for a while. Now I'm gonna use it. So hopefully I'll put some Zeta lights on it and be able to grow out my frags and have another place to put fish and coral and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's about it. So this video was more of a test of how my camera would work and trying to use the settings and the parameters and all that headache. And I'll tell you one thing, go to your favorite YouTuber. I'm pretty sure it's not me, but go to your favorite YouTuber and smash that like button, because I'm telling you, man, they catch hell and spend all kind of money to make their videos look good. It's not cheap, and it damn sure ain't easy. So just stay tuned, and I'm out.
Perfect.